Bronco top is off. I cannot wait to cruise this thing with the top off in the rear. Somebody can sit right back there. That's hilarious. With the top off, it's just so cool. This is like a dream come true for me. We are going to be taking the Bronco out on the road for the first time ever in my ownership and for the last like 5 years. So I got those new Amazon fenders on. They don't line up perfect, but good enough for me, honestly. It's at this point, just want to get it out on the road and use it. It's been so long. It's insured, which is insane. Green 79 Ford Bronco, baby. She's good enough. I mean, she's got everything you need to drive it. I'm just gonna be doing some tests. I have a temp gauge here. I got some stuff to take with me. I'm just gonna be going around my area. We're not gonna be going crazy. This is the test drive. Like, I don't even know what to expect. I've been driving it back and forth down the driveway today just to see if it, when it gets hot, if anything goes south, but it seems to be okay. I have a custom side mirror, which is just freaking mint. We're gonna cruise it, guys. There's nothing else to say except I hope it goes well. How the brakes? Glenn's ripping. Brakes are good, eh? Yeah. We're in the back right now. Top off, sunny day. Dream come true. It's running pretty good. I ran it yesterday and it started bogging, so we cleaned out the carb. That seemed to fix it. I put a muffler on it so people don't hate me. And now we're cruising, letting Glenn take it for a rip. She loves to wander, that's for sure. She's doing good though. Like, I'm really happy with it. What just happened?
She just died. Dude, like out of nowhere. Oh, looks all normal to me.
Holy guys, that thing is such a blast to drive. Like, I got the biggest smile the entire time. I actually enjoyed being in the back seat more than I did driving it. But so last clip there, she bogged out, she died. I've been having that issue. I don't know why. This time it drove way longer. Like, we drove it probably a total of a half an hour, maybe less, 25 half hour. And she didn't have any issues. And then I drove it to the gas station. I got it home, as you can see, it fired up again and I drove it. Then it was fine on the way home. So I'm not sure like what the deal is, but everything's at normal operating temperatures. Recommended is like 190, 230. Anywhere in that area, you scan any of this motor, it's not in that high. It's like usually a 180, 200. You see there, like 200, that's not bad. Headers are obviously super hot. All right guys, so I've been driving it around a little more today. I'm down at the farm. Saw the last clip, we actually grabbed sushi. So we're doing the first date night in the Bronco. This is just like crazy. I just can't believe like how far this thing's come. I'm gonna be making a video of all the progress, like a full resto in 20 minutes or whatever. But let's take a look at this thing with dirt on it. This thing right now is absolutely gorgeous. Got dirt on the tires, a little dusty. We're down at the farm. It's the perfect vehicle to just cruise and hang out. Like, it is so sick. So we're rocking, like, first of all, a sick mirror. This door's complete but needs to be rebuilt. We're rocking a partial interior, but pretty good actually. And that's my speaker there. That's my sound system. I actually really like it. Like, I don't think it's even worth right now putting speakers in, because I actually like that Milwaukee. It's pretty sick. In the back here, my girlfriend. Yeah, it's like we just ate sushi on the bench seat, and there's like, we might put a mattress down here and watch some movies one day. And we don't even have to insure it, because we can get down here without the road. But the only problem, it keeps dying. Now, I don't know why. It seems to be after you drive it for a while, it starts to bog, and then I let it cool down. But here's the thing, I'm keeping an eye on temps. It's not running hot. It's running in the 190 to 230 degrees Fahrenheit that the 351M is supposed to run at. But it just dies for some reason, then it starts up again and you go. Like, it's weird. So I always let it cool down. We just ate sushi, so I'm gonna plug it all back in and we'll rip it back up to the house. But I've been driving it a lot today. It just died twice, and it's been great. Like, I just love driving this thing. There's lots that has to be done to it. It definitely isn't ready to just sit there and be driven. We got way more to come, but that's gonna do it, guys. That's the first day out in the Bronco, and it couldn't have gone better. I mean, you never know until you actually like take it for a rip, right? Like, I was like, am I even gonna be able to drive it? I insured it yesterday. I only drove it once for like 5 minutes and it died. We did some tweaking with the carb, and today I drove it way more. It's already gotten a lot better. So I'm super happy, guys, to actually be able to use this thing that I've been working on for freaking like 2.5, 3 years. So to finally get some enjoyment out of it, it just feels so good. So thanks everybody for the support. Let me know what you think about the Bronco. If you have any fixes, just let me know, because I'm actually kind of stumped. I've tried a bunch of things, but I'm going to be doing some research trying to fix why it keeps dying. But yeah, let me know if you got any solutions for that. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Peace.